Hi everyone, and welcome to day 3 of our heart-opening meditation and movement series. I hope that you have felt that you could possibly start to incorporate this into more days once this 7-day series is done. And that if you've had any questions come up after the meditations or the movement, that you've asked below in the comments and shared the videos if you felt like they've kind of touched you in some sort of a way. So again, I'm on this journey with you. Not a meditation expert, but I'm diving into the experience of what it means to meditate. I have started to dive into this idea of sitting quietly and really learning to do it and enjoy it. All right, so that's what our goal is together, and I hope that you can feel this opportunity grow with each other. All right, we'll start today seated for 3 minutes of meditation. We're going to go through some circular motions with our movements. So they're going to repeat. So it's this idea of a kriya, a repetitive meditative movement, finishing with 3 minutes seated. So as we begin today, find a comfortable seat. I'm going to switch the cross of my legs so it's not the natural place they would sit in. And I invite you to find your breath for the next 3 minutes. So you can gaze down with a soft gaze. Again, that's where the eyes are slightly closed. You're more than welcome to fully close your eyes with me. And I invite you just to start to feel the breath, let the heart rise and fall. And to enjoy this experience together on our mats. And you may even be out in the grass or on carpet. You don't need a yoga mat to meditate or to move, but sometimes creating that space in your home or side space can be really helpful so that you stay devoted to the practice and the movement. As you sit here quietly, think about the back of your head reaching for an imaginary wall. Think about your heart lifting up and forward towards something that's in front of you, keeping your spine long. Think about your shoulders lifting as they spread from side to side versus curl forward. And the constant engagement in the core that's so necessary to hold your pose. As we're about halfway through our first 3 minutes, I invite you to find a deeper Ujjayi breath, your ocean breath, your inhale through the nose. And then your hissing exhale out of the back of the nose, out of the nose and down the back of the throat. Good, repeat. Enjoy that repetition. What can your body find as you continue to repeat the breath? And as we continue to sit here silently, what's happening to your fingers? Are you moving them around? Are you clenching? What's happening to your toes? Are they soft or are they pointed or flexed? Can you find the ability to be still and again, just focus on your breath? It's just 3 minutes. It's all I ask for your beginning of your practice today. Breath in, breath out. About 3 more. Breath in, breath out. Breath in, breath out. One more. Finish the exhale as we close our 3 minutes together. Beautiful work. And then blink your eyes open. And again, I stayed focused on my breath and communicating this information to you. Maybe you went into the rest of your day. Maybe you went into your evening. Maybe you thought about what happened before this, and that's okay. Each time you meditate, different things are going to come up, especially if you don't have a direct focus during the meditation. So that's where you may want to do a little bit more research to figure out if there's a focus for you that's important during the meditation versus what I prefer, the freedom of what enters and exits. Let's go ahead and transition the body to downward facing dog. Exhale, arrive. And I just want you to bend your knees, so notice how my ribs push back, and then exhale, shoot forward to plank. Good, bend your knees, push back, and shoot forward to plank. One more time, bend those knees, push back. Good, shoot forward to plank, exhale, hold. Look forward, lift your heart. And then exhale, lift your hips, walk your hands back to your feet. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, walk your hands forward. Exhale, plank. Repeat. Inhale, walk your hands back to a forward fold. Exhale, walk your hands forward to plank. Hold. Walk your toes forward to your hands. Tiptoe, 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 arrive. Walk them back. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Plank, hold, and then lift your hips. Good. Let's combine it. Hands walk back to your feet. Exhale, fold. Hands walk forward to plank. Exhale, hold, engage your core. Toes walk forward to your hands. Exhale, fold. Toes walk back, final time to plank. Nice work, engage your core. Lift your hips. Good, and now hands and feet meet in the middle of your yoga mat, and we'll rise all the way up. Good, so again, that concept of opening the heart, the meditation keeps the mind quiet. It gives you space to listen, and it gives us space to breathe. So I invite you to split your feet apart. Good. And then reach your arms all the way up. Bring the hands to the heart as we bend the back knee, we bend the front knee, we bend the back knee, we bend the front knee, and then from the front knee, we come all the way back up to the top. We bend the back knee, we bend the front knee, we bend the back knee, we bend the front knee, hold, and then we come all the way to the top. Good, now we're gonna go the opposite direction, okay? So we bend the front knee. We sink forward, we bend the back knee, we bend the front knee. We bend the back knee one more time, we bend the front knee. We bend the back knee, we pause, and then we stand up. Pull the hands to the heart. One more round, we bend the front, the back, the front, the back. Last time to the front. Hold the back, inhale, rise up, 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 up. Pull the hands to the heart. Good. Pivot your toes out 10 and 2. So the purpose of the repetitive movement is you don't have to think, all right? It just continues to move. Put your hands on your thighs. Exhale. Rock side to side. Are you breathing? Is your mind quiet? How's your experience? Good. Exhale. Drop a shoulder. Drop a shoulder. Good. Shoulder. Shoulder. I've noticed when a teacher kind of limits their talking at times, which is important for us to breathe and meditate, that we can move a little deeper into practice. But then sometimes we need their words, we need their encouragement, and we need their reminders. Reminder, breathe. Reminder, focus on the meditation of the movement. Reminder, pause, open your heart. Stand up. Good. Exhale, turn your toes in. Inhale, breath in. Exhale, fold forward. And then once you get to the base, put your hands on the earth. Exhale. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Good. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. One more time. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Now you're going to crawl to your back foot. Exhale, lizard, hold. You're going to crawl through center, pivot. Top of the mat. Exhale, lizard, hold. We're going to repeat, center. Surprise, right? Exhale, lizard. Center. Exhale. Good, and if this is your only part of your yoga practice or your movement today, then just enjoy it. If this was your meditation and your movement, and then later maybe it's a more aggressive practice, or maybe it's a little bit more of a movement with strength or running or cardio, come back to center fold, be in it. You can totally clear your mind on a run. Slowly come all the way up. Good, let's bring those feet together. So you should feel nice and open in the front of the body. Let's side bend up and over. Good, and then up and over. We did those seated side bends yesterday, so those should feel nice. And then one more time. Good, up and over. Nice. Exhale, very carefully allow yourself to fold forward. Inhale, lengthen out the spine. Exhale, fold. And then just breathe. So think of yoga as your yang and your yin to your body. So the yang is the active movement. The yin is the slowing down. It's the meditation. Let's drop our knees to the mat, one and then the other. And if you can sit with me on your shins, I invite you for our 3 minutes to be here. If you prefer to sit on your bottom or even lay down on your back with your knees bent and your feet planted, I invite you there too. If it's the morning and you're practicing, stay here with me seated. If it's the evening and you're closing your day with this kind of 7 days of meditation, that forced concept of being focused, then maybe lay on your back or sit up against a wall so you have some support. Close your eyes. We have 3 minutes. Exhale, moving into meditation. Good. Don't look for it. Don't search. Just be in it right here. Do you move into a prayer? Do you believe in a higher power and that's where you take your meditation? Or is it just right here in your body where you feel it all? You're so focused in that pleasure and joy of silence. I invite you to inhale for 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breath out of the body. 6, 5. Keep it out. 4, 3, 2. Inhale. 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath at the top. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling. 5, 4. Slow release. 3, 2, 1. Breath is all the way out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Exhale. Final minute is yours. Continue to count. Maybe a 1, 2 in, a 1, 2 out. Maybe just a 1 and a 1. Maybe a 2 and a 4. Let that hissing breath come out of the body. You are doing so much good for yourself right here, right in this moment. Stay in this moment. This moment is yours. It's about you and your mind and the progressiveness that we can gain from this practice. Stay, breathe, be in the moment. Finish your exhale. Blink your eyes open. If you're on your back, take your time, maybe stick around and stay there. Bring your hands to your heart. Thank you guys so much for joining me on day 3. I hope you felt more confident and more successful with your movement and your meditation, linking it all with your pranayama, your breath. Thank you. Namaste.